Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. As you know, I love finding high-end decor for a lot less, and I especially love thrifting and doing DIYs. In today's video, I'm going to bring you along with me as I go thrifting for Christmas decor. Stick around until the very end because I will also share what I purchased for this upcoming holiday season. Okay, let's jump right into it. Because it's at the entrance, my first stop at this thrift store is always their knick-knack section. These flameless candles were only $4.99 for 3. On this particular day, they had a lot of string lights. They had 2 bundles in one pack and they were $5.99, which is such a great deal. These would look nice on a windowsill, and if they were battery operated, they would also be great for a tablescape. The thrift store is a great stop to also purchase brand new wrapping paper for Christmas. It's a lot less than retail. I love when people display nativity scenes during Christmas. I have a very small set, but I have been on the hunt for a larger one. I wanted to purchase this, but it was not a complete set and some of the pieces were broken off. This Santa Advent calendar was only $4.49. Similar ones like this are $40. If you're like me and you appreciate old nostalgic Christmas decor, definitely check out their ornament section. When I found these gold ornaments, it took me back to my childhood. Let me know in the comments if you remember these silk ornaments from back in the day. This was a nice basket. The handle was broken, but that's an easy fix. I love adding mini trees throughout our home for Christmas. They can be pricey though, so I'm glad I found this for $2.49. I thought these snowman hats were so festive and fun. They actually had a lot. If you're into the farmhouse style, these tobacco baskets are great for making wreaths. This 12 Days of Christmas Advent calendar was so festive. A piece broke off, but with some wood, glue, and paint, that can be easily fixed. These plates are so beautiful. I love how they scream Christmas. When I got home, I did some research and saw that these plates are currently available at Williams Sonoma. They are $17.95 there. These at the thrift store were only $3.49 for two. Such a great deal. I love shopping at Savers. I feel like it's one of the few thrift stores that are still reasonably priced. Although some items can be considered pricey, it's still more reasonable than others. I also love that Savers offers a 20% off coupon whenever you donate something. So I bring something each time I visit the thrift store to get that additional 20% off. These glasses were $2.49 for a pack of 3. When I got home and did some research, these glasses are selling for $30 per glass online. I love this candelabra. This would be great on its own or decorated with some Christmas florals. I love brass year-round, but I especially love it during the Christmas season. I love the shape and size of this vase. The color is also very fitting for this time of year. There was also a taller one that matched. I actually ended up purchasing these, and on the day that I went, these were 50% off. Another section that I love to browse at the thrift store is their linen and pillow section. They had quite a few festive pieces on this day. Now I'm excited to show you what I purchased and how I style them. The first item that I want to share with you is this sled. I don't love the colors, so I decided to make a few changes. I began by sanding off all of the glitter. I then removed the staples that were holding this present accent piece in place and set it aside for later. I was initially going to spray paint this entire thing black, but I changed my mind. I decided that I wanted to keep the original vintage look but enhance it so that it was a bit more modern. I mixed a few paint colors together to achieve this warm burgundy color that had a hint of brown in it. I taped off the areas where I didn't want paint and applied it in the areas that I wanted to change. I applied 2 to 3 coats and am using a few picks that I purchased from the dollar store. I cut off the stem and am adding them to the top here. I decided to add the present that was originally on this sled. I bent the wire that it came with and hooked it onto the sled, and then attached a few more embellishments to the greenery. I removed the tape, and this is how it turned out. I love it. I placed the sled next to this vase that I purchased from the thrift store, as well as this candle lamp that I got on the same day. In the vase, I placed some cedar picks inside from Target and berries from the dollar store. I also added brown and gold ribbon to liven things up. I love how all of these thrifted items came together so well. I couldn't pass up on these Williams Sonoma plates. They fit my decor perfectly. I am styling it on an embroidered beaded placemat and glass dinner plate that I already had. I did end up purchasing these from the thrift store. I am going to DIY these though because I don't have much, if any, silver at all for my Christmas decor. And I'm also not a fan of this galvanized look here. So I'm going to try to make it look like brass or bronze. What's really cool about these is that the bottom is open and I can put a candle inside. So I think it's going to look beautiful once I DIY it and it's all illuminated. I'm not sure where I'm going to place this yet, but I am looking forward to seeing how this one is going to come out. Since I want to achieve a bronze look, I am going to begin by spray painting these trees with gold spray paint. If you've watched my previous videos, you've seen me use this technique in the past. I sprayed 2 coats of spray paint onto the trees, and when it dried, I dabbed on brown and black paint with a damp paper towel. I love how these turned out. I placed a couple of flameless candles that I already had inside. Next, I purchased this gold terracotta vase. Since my accent color for Christmas this year is gold, I thought this was perfect as is. I added some greenery and berries that I picked up from Marshall's. I decided to add this burgundy ribbon that I got from Homegoods to the vase. The color is so rich and beautiful. I made a bow, and this is how it all came together. I also purchased the snowman wreath. I had to, it's too adorable. I placed it on one of the doors in our home. This year for Christmas, I'm going for a more vintage aesthetic, and I thought that this was perfect. Next is this small vase that I picked up. This tree is another thrifted item. I thought it would look great inside of this vase. Next to it, I'm placing this vintage snowman. As you can see, the top of the hat has broken off, so I pulled a berry from a stem that I already had and hot glued it to the hat. I love how this all came together. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed everything in today's video. If you haven't already, check out my previous videos where I DIY'd and elevated items from the dollar store. They all turned out amazingly. I also have a fun Homegoods Christmas shop with me and haul video as well. I will leave the link for both of those videos in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!